Hello everybody, this is going to be a full wash video in my AEG Electrolux Lavamat Klein toy washing machine. So you can see, even though I took the water out, there's still some detergent stuck in there, but it doesn't really matter to me right now. This is a very realistic looking washer, and today we are going to be washing a sock. So we are going to go ahead and put it in. This washer is not waterproof, so all it has is a water simulation in the door. And then got some washing powder. Put that in with the sock. And we are going to go ahead and fill it up with water. So now we have filled the washer up with water. So since we have done that and everything's in the washer, we are going to go ahead and fire it up. So we are going to turn it on and select a wash cycle. Turn it on, and how about we do a memory 1 wash? Now press one of these buttons to start the wash. I usually press start pause because it makes sense. There it goes. Whoops. Oop, the sock is falling out. There we go. It's working now. So now we are going to give the sock a rinse. So now we are going to drain the water out and give the sock a spin. So now we have drained the water out, and there is still some detergent stuck inside the water simulator. As you can see, I turned the washer off, and we are going to turn it back on, and we are going to go to spin mode. Make sure the door is securely closed, because we're going to do a spin. Yep. And we're going to press start pause, and we're going to do a spin. There it goes. Move the camera over. Yeah, it's going a little faster now. For some reason it does the same thing on all the cycles. Probably because it's just a toy, not a real washer. A real washer does different stuff. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this is a very realistic looking washing machine. So now our cycle is done. So now we're going to set this back to us. Gotta turn it off. open the door and take the clothes out. And, of course, the washing powder. So now, I'm going to give you some details about this washer. There's your plastic drum. I think it's plastic. That's the water simulator right there. It's got a lever on the door to open and close it. And that's your on and off. You press one of these to start up the washer. That's your light up delay. Not delay, but display. And that's your wash selecting knob. That's the detergent drawer. It's just there for fun. This is not a waterproof washer like the Mealy is. And that does not work well at all. So they don't make it anymore. That's just my dog's collar. And now we're going to take a look at the back. So this is what the back looks like. You can see here, they use the same casing as the AEG Lavamat toy washer. So as you can see, they took the drain pipe out. It has a cover to go on, but I just lost it a few minutes ago. That hole in the middle is for the hand crank. It comes with a hand crank that you can crank up the washer with. This is the hole I'm talking about right here. I took off the Klein sticker. It's got some information on the back. Good. And then in the bottom right corner is your battery box. It holds 3 C batteries. And there's something like a speaker in the upper right corner, but it's just holes. Not sure why they're there. But anyways, that's it.